3.7, right derivative as a limit, part 1. So there's these new vocab words we need to know in calculus. We've learned that a secant line is a line that touches at 2 points. We've learned that a tangent line actually touches a line at 1 point. Tangent line and finding the derivative is the same thing. They're synonymous. So here it is again telling you that it's the rate of change or the slope of a function with respect to a variable. In other words, it's the same as the slope of the tangent line at a specific point. It's finding the slope of a curve. That's it. It's also called the instantaneous rate of change. So all we're doing is practicing writing some more of these difference quotients that we've already been doing, finding how to find the slope of the tangent line without actually simplifying your answer. So here is our function. It's exponential. And I always start with just writing my difference quotient. Remember, it's f of x plus h, because that's your y2 minus your y1, all over x plus h minus x, and the x is canceled to leave you with h. So your job is to take your function, and this x plus h needs to go in when you see x. So however your function looks, that's all you're doing. So you would have e to the x plus h minus 3. That's it on that. Minus, then you're just function as it is. There's no x value to plug in, just the function, which is e to the x minus 3 all over h. So the bad thing with this lesson, pain in the butt to type in. Good thing with this lesson, pretty simple. If we had to actually do something with that, that would be a different story. All right, number 2 is the same thing, but this time I have a rational function because I have a fraction. And again, we're not having to simplify, but they give us at x is -2. So now when I have f of my x plus h, I'm going to go ahead and put -2 in for x. So then I'm going to put f of -2 plus h minus f of -2 over h. And so right here is where it gets simplified. So it'll go 4 over -2 plus h plus 3. If you wanted to combine like terms and make that a 1 plus h or h plus 1, cool. That's less to type in your answer. You don't have to. And then minus, again, I could just plug in 4 over x plus -2 or x minus 2. Oh, not x minus 2. Boop, 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 boop. Hold on, back up. Sorry. Plug in -2, that would be -2 plus 3. I like to go and figure out what that is instead of having all that to type. So that's 4 over 1, which is 4. So this f of -2 is actually just 4. So it'll go minus 4 all over h. So really ignore that. So that's how you type again. Again, the only thing you could do is go ahead and make that h plus 1.